Thank you ni gucoka guku gwa Kikuyu DailyExpress kuria tumemerekagia ndeto ta uria cia kunuka ngikwihoya uthie na mbere subscribe. Njeri wa Muigai uria niwe mutumia wa mbere wa Muigai wa Njoroge kana Nyakiambi wa mucii uyu wa Muigai ni atengemanitie ndeto cia magegania na kumburania thabari ria akoretwo nayo kahinda ka miaka 15 15 years akiuga ni thabari iyuirwo ni miambato na miikûruko Morito maingi Kîgirîko Kieha Oro hamwe na gikeno otaūria kioi thiini wa miaka 15 iria atariirie muthuri wake Muigai wa Njoroge akorirwo akihikia mutumia ungi wa keri uikene ta Queen Stacy haria makoretwo onao makionania wendo gatagati wa Nyakiambi na Nyakiamburi a mucii umwe tukiona njatukano gatagati kao na recently kurakigia na igongona ria kuracia Muigai akiraceria Nyakiamburi Queen Stacy kuria kwa Ūrīanetengemanitie na riu Njeri wa Muigai ni umiritie na uhoro wa mwanya uhoro wa uhotani wa kwirutira kunene akiuga kahinda ni gakinyu akorwo agitungatira ngoro cia andu na atumia aria makoretwo makigerera maundu maritu ma kuhenja ngoro ciao ona atumia aria maragerera thabari ya mitangiuko na ironda cia muturire kugera ministry yake iria ikarugurio mweri-ini wa Dithemba mwaka-ini uyu iria Njeri augite iretwo Woman of Courage Ministry na iria augite yanjiriirie miaka 15 mihituku na kugerera mendekithia na cases iria akoretwo agisolve kana gucemania nacio ciĩgiĩ atumia kurua mbara nditu cia muturire na kugerera maundu maritu ma maithori. Riu it's up to time akorwo akilaunch tabarĩra ĩno niguo akorwo agitungatira andu aingi na gikiro kinene. Na Njeri ni arekereirie ndumiriri ndaihu na ta uria gukorwo ngimi-quotes agitariria how she came up na idea ino ya Woman of Courage Ministry kugerera mutambo wake wa Facebook agitariria ndeto ici ciĩgiĩ the birth of Woman of Courage Ministry na kuga for the last 15 years have been through a lot, happiness, joy, pain, agony, ups and downs, having so much money and lacking even a coin in my pocket. Sometimes I would even have suicidal thoughts. I would lock myself crying day and night. Sometimes I would be very happy and enjoy life to the fullest. I've fought silent battles that no one would understand, breaking down with no one to share with. But at the end of it all, I became the woman I am today. I thank God for the far He has brought me, and out of all this, God has put in my spirit a burden to start this program of encouraging those who are hurting and don't have anyone to talk to. I feel the need to be there for those suffering in silence because I've been there. I know the pain, I know the frustrations, I know one can do unbelievable acts due to heartaches. Crying emoji Akiuga, yes I know. Njeri agithie na mbere na kuga, I welcome you all to come and support me to start this ministry, and I know it's gonna help many out there. Mark the date of 15th December. Come for the dinner at Mark Hotel Ruiru and help me deliver this baby safely. Njeri akirikia na gwikira namba ya thimu, contact details for booking purposes niguo woye tigiti yaku guthie kunyitanira na igongona-ini riri riake ria mwanya. Mashabiki make ladies of course makiumiria wish all the very best oho na promise kunyitanira nake thiini wa event ya ino yake ha big event. Muini ese wa wiri official ewa mbere kumwira imagine ni ngoka ni uria gwendete. Sarafina Demathio nake akimwira congratulations na jitikiria gutigire poster ya event iyo haha and purpose to attend niguo to support this great woman.